It's a good practice to always iron the fabric before putting it in the embroidery hoop. The fabric should be big enough to leave at least a 3 cm, 1 inch margin on each side of the hoop. Loosen the screw and separate the inner and outer hoop. Put the outer hoop on top of the fabric and the inner hoop underneath it. Slide the top hoop onto the bottom hoop and start tightening the fabric. Tighten the screw a bit and pull on the fabric to make it tight. Rotate the hoop and pull on the fabric from each side, tightening the screw as you tighten the fabric. It's best to do it on a flat surface, like a table. When you tap the fabric, it should sound like a drum. That means it's tight enough. If you're using a fabric that's slightly see-through, you can put 2 pieces of fabric between the hoops.